they separate?
My lord,
बच्चे किसके?
my lord, बच्चे उनके पास
किसके हैं?
नहीं, हमारे
है ना?
जी।
बच्चों के एग्जाम्स के बीच में बुलाए उनको. You have waited for so many years.
My lord,
एक महीने में क्या फर्क
my lord,
पड़ेगा?
2014, my lord, I hadn't seen my children, and her brother is in police department in the police housing corporation, my lord. I was assaulted when I was in jail. I made so many complaints, my lord.
I have a son and a daughter. The son is appearing in his exams right now, 12th class exam. I moved an application seeking
And that you could have told us, we would have exempted for examinations, we would not insist.
My lord, we want adjudication of this case, my lord.
Where's
While
the mic, please?
my lord, I'm praying, my lord, because I was apprehending that she will not come, and she may be having some very genuine reason, which I also can't object. I was sure about it. Therefore, I made
When did they separate?
my lord,
When did they separate?
my lord, they separated twice. They married in 2003. She left me in 2007. I filed application for divorce. She filed application for restitution of conjugal rights under 9. Both applications got dismissed in 2011. Now, my lord, after that, we both filed appeal before the High Court. High Court conducted the mediation and that was successful. So in 2012, we both again started living together. But in 2014, she left me, my lord. She hadn't came back, and twice I've been to jail, my lord. And since 2014 till date, my lord, we are living
Jail for what?
my lord, once in 498A for 2 days, and recently, my lord, for execution of 125 amount, my lord, because that was an ex parte order. So again, I've been to jail, my lord. It is an irretrievable.
No possibility of a settlement.
My lord, let us give one try, my lord.
How, after you send him to jail, where is the question
But
of
that is, my lord, is his on account of his default, and the court thought it appropriate, my lord. I would still say, my lord, there's a chance.
Once you send somebody to jail, don't expect a settlement after. After
In
incarceration.
fact, there is, my lord, case law against me also on that point.
Possibility of settlement, separate, finish it. He wants divorce, give a divorce and finish it.
Not if the matter can be kept after the children's exams. The exams finish on the 31st of March, my lord.
April, they have moved an application for April since
Because
November
immediately after the-
2023. My lord, my respectful,
बच्चे किसके?
my lord, बच्चे उनके पास
किसके हैं?
नहीं, हमारे
है ना?
जी।
बच्चों के एग्जाम्स के बीच में बुलाए उनको.
My lord, my respectful submission, if my lord considered it, my submission to be genuine.
You have waited for so many years.
My lord,
एक महीने में क्या फर्क
my lord,
पड़ेगा?
what my submission, my lord, since October 23, this case is pending for final hearing. I have made several requests, my lord, and there were either or the reason this hearing is being deferred. If she was willing to appear before the court, my lord, she could have used the video conferencing, or after lunch, my lord, we will provide her the link. She can appear through the video conferencing, my lord. Last year, my lord, I have offered 25 lakh rupees as a for permanent alimony. When the court asked me whether are you able to give, I offered. They rejected that.
What does he?
My lord,
What does he?
my lord, इसका मुर्रा जो होता है वो पोहा वो बनाते हैं.
Let's go to manufacturing unit. Yes, manufacturing unit, my lord.
वो बनाते हैं उज्जैन.
Businessman.
Business.
Yes,
What does she do?
she's a housewife, my lord. She's a housewife.
And 2 children.
Two
Yes.
children.
And this permanent alimony is for whom? Just the wife.
Yes,
What about the children?
my lord. I'll take undertaking, my lord, that I want to breed my children's, my lord. Since 2014, my lord, I hadn't seen my children, and her brother is in police department in the police housing corporation, my lord. I was assaulted when I was in jail. I made so many complaints, my lord.
This exam finishes on Sunday. And when does the meet starts?
And I'm beseeching, my lord, because it's a rigmarole proceedings for him, my lord. He's 50. I'm only saying कि ये इसको सुन करके सब जो भी order हो जाए.
Request for adjournment is made on behalf of the respondent on the ground that she could not attend the proceedings today because of the ongoing examination of the children.
Class 12th के exams.
Ongoing board examination.
Board exams.
One of the
The son is appearing as well.
daughter is how old?
Sir, वो final year में है college में.
College
Final year में.
of the son. When do the exams get over?
No, no, the exams finish on the 8th of April, my lord. That is the 8th of, on 29th March is his last paper for the 12th class. and then he starts the NEET exams.
Paper.
Today is the paper is on, my lord, and the next paper is on.
They have not disclosed that whether
Today is parent chemistry, 8th of March is next.
8th of March is the next paper, my lord.
8th of March.
March, mathematics. And then it's 11th of March.
Second Saturday.
Sorry, my lord.
8th March is second Saturday.
My lord, it's kept on the 8th of March. My lord.
After that,
Then after that is on the 11th of March, and the last paper is on 29th of March.
so 29th March.
And then the 1st of April, NEET exam start for which the child is
So
appearing.
then what we'll, next you said is 8th March.
Next week.
VC second, I said, Mr. De Silva.
My lord.
We will list this matter on 6th of March for hearing. She may connect through BC and in case it gets settled,
Well, may I request, my lord, to keep it after the 8th, my lord? After, in fact, my lord, if there's a long
then
gap,
have a paper on the 11th also.
there's a long gap between 11th and the next paper, my lord.
My lord.
So if, my lord, the next paper is on the 29th of March.
So we'll, after 11th is 29th.
I think that would, yes, my lord.
We'll have it on the 12th of March.
17th. Well, can it be 17th, my lord?
for one or the other reason.
17th March.
My lord.
Request for adjournment is made on behalf of the, we again, list on 17th March 2025 for final hearing at motion stage. Respondent is exempted from personal appearance. She may however connect through
My lord.
video conferencing facility on that.
My lord.
If she connects and gets settled, well and good, otherwise we'll hear it finally.
My lord.
Can it be observed, my lord, that for any of the reason it will be heard, my lord,
We've said for final hearing,
my lord, because
we've
if
listed for final hearing. motion
my lord,
stage.
I'm extending my apology for my words, my lord. If a request come from their side, my lord, that for either of the reason, if the senior is not available, my lord, because it has happened, or some arguing counsel is not available, my lord, or that there is a change of counsel, my
We
lord.
can't control the future.
My
We
lord,
don't know
because,
whether we'll be there or-
because this case has experienced this thing, my
How
lord.
do you know, Mr. Tiwari, we may not be there.
My lord,
Mr. Tiwari may not be there.
We can't say this thing that future this will happen. We can't.
my lord, can it be observed that
We will.
there will
if we
be
are
no
here,
adjournment, my lord?
We've indicated it,
Ji,
that it is for final hearing.
ji.
We will,
The message has come across, my lord.
we will make an attempt for settlement. If it gets settled, well and good. Otherwise, we'll hear it finally on that day.
My lord, I will be highly obliged.
But God willing.
My lord, my lord.
Message is very clear, my lord. We'll do it on the next day.
We'll
see.
My lord, husband's presence.
Inki presence लिखते
Last date of hearing, your lordship is directed to personal appearance of the party.
I play one short date, my lord, because the wife is working as a government teacher, my lord, at district Dhar, at Dahi place, my lord. So the examination of class 3rd of March, my lord, so I pray for 10th of March. She will remain present, my lord, and she is eager for compromise.
Is there a possibility of settlement?
My lord, we are ready to live with them.
The mediation was failed, my lord.